I'm going to create my HDRI, but first I will go to HDRI Haven and find something that I like. So I will go to the HDRI section. And here are some sky options. So I will, I'll use this Quarry one just to test it out. So I just download the EXR file. You can do 4K, you can do 2K. I wouldn't do anything above it, above 4K. I will click download. So it's basically just an EXR file. That's the extension. So I'll go back into Blender, and where you add this file, you hit this little icon that looks like the world. That gives you all the properties for like the background. And then you have this background surface that's already selected. And so the way it works is you added a new image texture map to color. So you click on the little circle next to color, that little yellow dot, it's environment texture. So I'm going to click on environment texture, then I'm going to hit open. And now I'll find Quarry. And now, yeah, now there's an environment here. So the idea with the environment map is that it's just a sphere and the textures wrapped to the inside. So I'll select the mesh